How to change PayPal phone number for verification. I'm going to show you two different methods. For the first one, you will need to sign into your account, and then you will click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now here you will see phone numbers, and you want to click on change. And in order to change your primary phone number for verification, you will first need to add a new one. You will need to choose the country's code, and here you will type the phone number and also the category here. After you have done this, you will need to receive a code and authorize the phone number, then you will be able to change it. If you don't have access to your account, what you can do is search for contact PayPal phone number and call the number which you get for your specific PayPal region, and explain that you don't have access to your PayPal account and funds, and they will further assist you with the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.